Descent. We're actually going to follow the canal towards the bay and then operating out there, so we can terminate advisory.
X-ray Alpha Rush traffic midway through the canal, turning northeastbound, say Cessna 182 at 1000. Radar surf terminates Squawk VFR.
Thank you so much, Squawk VFR.
And you'll be the last guy, and then we'll trail it again.
Lost approach, good speed 849, descending through 15.6 with India. We have company in sight as well.
Good speed 849, lost approach, thank you.
Lost approach, good speed 202, 12,300 to be a part descent Nantucket.
Good speed 202, lost approach, Roger, and you have company in sight as well.
Negative, good speed 202.
Speed 202, company traffic 2 o'clock, and 3 miles eastbound, 15,000 descending.
We'll be keeping an eye for him, good speed 22.
Morning, Niner Charlie Bravo, descend to maintain 2,000.
Airport in sight.
Check that 650, clear direct buzzer.
Airport in sight.
Direct buzzer, check that 650.
Check that 650, contact cross center 128.75 good day.
28.75, that's 652.
Cirrus 20, Echo Foxtrot, contact Nantucket Tower 118.3, good day.
Run over the tower, 20 Echo Foxtrot today.
Morning.
15 miles to the west. Yeah. Oh no.
Nantucket Tower, Cirrus 20 Echo Foxtrot. 15 to the west, homebound with India full stop.
Cirrus 20 Echo Foxtrot, Nantucket Tower, fly the northern shoreline to the right base, runway 24.
Fly northern shoreline, right base 24, 20 Echo Foxtrot.
Cirrus 388, runway 24, clear to
So, you for northern shoreline to the right base. Thank you for that.
Oh, our autopilot.
Cirrus 18 Romeo, turn right at Bravo, contact ground.
Right on Bravo, contact ground base.
You don't hear how much it was fighting that nose down.
Yeah.
This is a release. Keep that descent coming in now.
Turn down a little bit.
About 500 feet per minute's fine.
Yeah.
You can start slowing it down a little, do like 65% this
The
time.
Pulse, Sirius XM.
Alright, now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and OBS the runway. To just get us some reference.
4, right 2.
Okay. So fly the north shoreline, we'll kind of come over to here, make our right base, right final. Quick and easy.
Good.
Did we wake you up?
And Nantucket Tower, November 7 Bravo, 2000 visual approach to 4.
Rooney 789 Charlie Bravo, Nantucket Tower, enter left base, runway 24. You'll be following a twin Cessna currently on a 2-mile final.
Roger that. Left base 249, 10 miles.
Rooney Manor Charlie Bravo, wind 260 at 15, gust 25, altimeter 2954.
Roger, thanks, Nantucket Tower.
Well, you can pull out a little bit more power here. Get a little bit more over the shoreline. Noise abatement procedures.
Understood.
Are we almost there?
We got another hour to go. So, if you want to take a nap, you're all good.
Another nap?
Yeah, we'll be landing in the
Airport's right there.
about 5 minutes or less.
Okay. 29 Charlie Bravo, proceed to the numbers, runway 24, clear to
Turn
land.
off the PO heat.
So the numbers, clear to land, thanks. Oh, thanks.
Care 388, turn right at Charlie, contact ground.
Adam Charlie over to ground, K388, thanks for help.
Mooney, 9er Charlie Bravo, low altitude alert, check your altitude immediately, altimeter 2954.
Roger, climbing back up.
Wow. Who is that? That guy on final? 9 Charlie Bravo? 1,500 feet, we're at 22, that'd be 700
Cirrus
feet.
0 Echo Foxtrot, traffic to follow, 1 o'clock, 2 miles for the right, correction, left base, runway 24.
We're looking for traffic at 20 Echo Foxtrot.
Yeah, you can slow it down more now. I think turn a downwind basically right now. Turn left. I'll be right over here, so. Yeah, you can start slowing it down a little bit more.
Nantucket Tower,
We'll make sure if it's not already.
Care 920,
Make sure.
You can keep that descent rate.
13 miles from the
Killing
north,
our ears
inbound,
here.
full stop with India.
500 feet per
Care
minute.
920 Nantucket Tower,
Don't turn
enter
in.
left base, runway
Turn
24.
downwind. Right.
Care 920, enter right base, runway 24.
Just over the
North of the right
horizon
base,
right
runway
I see it.
24. Okay, Nantucket.
I think I see it. Yeah.
Killing my
Cirrus
ears.
0 Echo Foxtrot, previously called traffic, 2 o'clock, 3 miles south, correction, over the VOR.
You gotta know what
We have the traffic inside 20 Echo Foxtrot.
Cirrus 0 Echo Foxtrot, follow
Just stay
the
at 12.
Mooney traffic, runway 24, clear to land number 2.
Runway 24, clear to land, number 2. 20 Echo Foxtrot.
He's a beam the wing turn inbound.
Clear 0 Echo Foxtrot, just be advised the Mooney showing 90 knots over the ground.
Copy 20 Echo Foxtrot. That turn coming, 30 degrees, base turn here. Right there.
Nantucket Tower, good speed 849, 12 to the west with India.
Caution birds.
Yes, sir.
Verify that was good speed 849.
Affirmative, good speed 849.
Good speed 849 Nantucket Tower. Follow the north shoreline for the left base, correction,
You're gonna
right
just
base,
stay
runway
no
24.
flaps for
Alright, North Shore for the right
No
base.
flaps yet?
Forward,
no
good speed
flaps.
49.
Get a little closer.
Alright.
Alright, just maintain 1200, you're descended.
Nantucket Tower, good speed 202, over
Level off on your
knots
base turn,
with
please.
India.
Keep turning.
Good speed 202 Nantucket
I know
Tower.
you know how to do
Traffic
this.
to follow, 1 o'clock,
Just get
2
that
miles
altitude back, trade a little bit.
eastbound Pilatus.
We have company in sight, good speed 202,
Turn
all
your
them.
0.5, you can go ahead and start turning your final and go flaps 50. You got the airport in sight, you got the runway in sight, the Mooney's between us and them. We'll slow it down a little bit for him. He was doing 90 knots, we're still doing 106, so we have a little bit of an overtake, but he's plenty of space between us and him.
Good speed 849. You'll be following a twin Cessna.
All you, let's see what you got. It's
Currently
dusting a
11
little,
o'clock,
windy here, so
5
let's see
miles
what you got.
southbound on the for the right base, runway 24.
Alright, negative contact, we're looking good speed 849.
Good speed 849. Traffic to follow speed indicates 160 knots.
Yeah, we're slowing it down now, good speed 849. Tower 179 Kilo Charlie reaching Kilo here for runway 24, right?
Challenger 179er Kilo Charlie Nantucket Tower, hold short runway
She's
24
in
lane
training.
traffic.
Yeah.
We see the Mooney
You can
and
clearly hear that.
Yeah. Alright, you got the Pappies, you're flying it in.
Got the tabbies, I got in the gust.
We're at 2 miles right now.
2 miles.
Over the VOR, report in sight.
looking for the traffic, 920.
500,
Charlie Bravo, turn right.
flaps 100.
Right at Bravo, contact ground, 9 Bravo.
Clear 902.
And 85
Cirrus
knots here,
traffic,
okay?
speed
Yes, sir.
80
Gust
knots.
factor.
Roger.
Slowing down, K920.
And good speed 849 has the traffic follow inside.
Good speed 849, roger, follow the Twin Cessna traffic.
Roger, good speed 849.
Gusty.
Yeah, a little gusty here. Right off the, in the middle of the ocean over here.
Yes, sir.
Keep flying it down, you're right on the glide slope, which is good. Keeping that 85
Clear
knots.
902, runway 24, clear to land
Be
number
a
2.
little bit more,
Clear to
throttle
land.
moving up, down, you know, keep your speed at 85. If you're fast, bring power back. If you're slow, add power.
Good speed 849, runway 24, clear to land number 3.
Clear to land 24, number 3, good speed 849.
Good speed
So we'll have a
202,
crosswind correction here.
runway
Wind from
24,
the
clear to
right.
land number 4.
24, clear to land, number 4, good speed 202.
Still looking good. Don't let that speed drop. Add power now. Be alive on the throttle.
Sir.
K920, we have the Mooney on final in sight.
Roger.
Yeah, perfect. Get it with the ground effect. Left rudder. A little bit of right aileron. Too much rudder. There you go. Just like that. What's up?
Flaps up.
Keep the yaw in check. Keep the aileron in. On the
00
brakes.
Echo Foxtrot,
Make
turn
Bravo.
right at Bravo, contact ground.
Right of Bravo, contacting ground. 20 Echo Foxtrot.
Okay. Ground 132.5, and remember to change your mic. Did that last time.
Yeah.
Okay, let's clean up the plane before we call them to boost pump off. Make sure you're slightly back.
Just like back.
Caps are up. Pitot heat's off. Lights are as required. Everything else is good.
Where are we going?
Straight ahead to the ramp. Next to all these guys.
Oh, there you go. Ground Cirrus 20 Echo Foxtrot. Clear runway 24 up Bravo. Going to the ramp.
Cirrus 20 Echo Foxtrot, Nantucket ground, turn left on Echo, taxi to the ramp.